I went to Universal's first concert in over 2 years, Mardi Gras, tribute store entrance facade, brand new, limited time, Universal Studios, Monsters, a tribute to the Creature store, and so much more. Come on, let's go! What's up guys, it's Ben from Theme Park Groupie. There's plenty going on at Universal Orlando right now. ET Adventure is taking names and giving out physical cards for your interplanetary passport, and it's so nice to actually hear ET say everybody's names again. So Mardi Gras season starts next weekend, February 5th, and so following their current trends, they have a tribute store coming and they have the entrance facade up and it's looking very nice. Since Revenge of the Mummy is closed until late summer, Universal decided to utilize its store to bring something new and exciting to its guests. Universal is realizing its fans' obsessions with Universal monsters, and I am incredibly thankful for it. There are rumors of an entire themed land potentially coming to their newest theme park, Epic Universe, projected to open summer of 2025. That being said, I think Universal is wanting to keep their interest there, so they built on the Mummy gift shop and turned it into something new and exciting. Limited time retail store Universal Studios Monsters, a tribute to the creatures of the night. You guys gotta come see some of the displays that they have going on in the store. They've integrated Monsters merch in with the existing store, and we've seen a lot of this merch before, so there's another chance to swoop in and get what you weren't able to grab before, like backpacks, shirts, lanyards, posters, and socks. So I know you guys aren't gonna believe me, but this is my actual first time trying Finnegan's. It's super popular, and I don't know, I just have never done it. It's my first time. So I got the burger with some bacon on it and these fries. I'm gonna try one of the fries. Let's see how good they are. Oh, it's hot! It's good! Universal's annual Rock Universe event is finally back, and it brings us our first concert on Universal property in nearly 2 years. This is a Christian music festival that brings us 3 stages and 10 artists each night for their 2-night event. Back behind the New York Library is their spot for artists and event merchandise. So they finally started letting people in. Now people are starting to flock in. The first artist is Rhett Walker. Starts at 7:15.
Okay, people from out of Florida? Okay. Do we have anyone from out of the country?
Here we go. First concert in 2 years.
How we doing tonight, family?
I totally forgot to bring my earplugs, so my ears are ringing a little bit, but no big deal. We're going to the Hollywood stage now to see Jordan Feliz, so see what the crowds are like over here. It's about to start in like 5 minutes, so I'm sure we'll be way in the back.
I know a place where we can go to let.
Thank you guys so much for hanging out with us and seeing all the concerts that they have here. Finally, concerts are back. If you guys did like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. Thanks for watching Theme Park Groupie.